Well, this might be interesting if you have a business that relies on outbound calls to try and get appointments and sales and whatnot. So someone asked me the other day if Scalar Toolbox has a power dialer, and it sure does. So you come to your Scalar Toolbox CRM, you got a list of people that you want to call, just add a simple tag to them, and then bang, they're entered into our power dialer. And then you just click go. And now, you're making calls straight from the computer with your Bluetooth headset or the old school plugged in one. So hang up. Hey, there was a no answer. On to the next one. So if you got a small business and these kind of features just haven't come across your radar, or maybe they're out of reach because of big box CRM prices, or it's missing from the one that you currently have, I'd love to have a quick chat with you and see if the Scalar Toolbox system would be a good fit for you. I also would be your direct support guy. Make sure that these things are working for you and give you any ideas, tips, and tricks that I've got up my sleeve. I sure didn't get that from HubSpot. So book a chat, let's talk, see you in the next one. Peace.